back to it. We are the Kalawala tree. Yeah, go ahead. Explain what the Kalawala is again.
This is the brown, the white. You have to peel this
To get inside, get to the heart of it.
Yes, when you peel the brown, then you get the white, then you peel more, then you get this brownness here. You still got to continue chopping. When you chop now, you reach and you get this white thing, this here, slimy.
That is like the heart of it.
Yes, the heart. So this here you have to like soak from here to here, like about a 7 piece. You soak it overnight, and you drink it like water.
How much? Snap glass?
No, like half glass of glass. It's a very
And how long you
water.
take it for?
Like a 7 day.
7 days.
Yeah, some you got to go.
Bush medicine style, getting it from the bush lady, and she's cutting that to take back to town because she heals me up whenever I'm down, and when I'm eating all the weird food and everything. This is the lady that makes sure everything comes out. You know what I mean? You gotta flush out the system. So to get the real flushing, the thing, this is why I can go around and get to eat all the crazy stuff. Nah, be careful pushing your hands in the rainforest. So
Yes,
Kalawala,
remember
got plain
people,
plum.
the ladies one.
This
We
the-
have the gents one and the ladies.
Well, most of these products here in the rainforest has male and female.
Yes.
A lot of folks doesn't know that you have the
This is-
female Kapadula.
Yeah.
And this is the female Kalawala. What happened? Rain done both of them? Cameraman, come. That's the bloodwood? Come closer now. You gotta go closer. Why is it called bloodwood?
Well, this is the bloodwood. This here, this called the wrong bush. This vine here,
What is called?
this is the wrong bush.
Rank?
Yes, they call it the wrong bush. This is why no it is. But they say good for thrush. If them children like babies born with anything on
What
their
is
skin.
thrush? What it looks like?
Like when
Like heat.
no, like when them children passing out like CD thing, you know. But the
Oh.
old people them is called
Oh,
thrush.
I thought it was the thrush
If
is
you
on the
eat-
inside, like diarrhea.
Yeah, something like that. Then some of them has got the dry one.
Uh-huh.
There's a very good bush. It's called it the wrong bush.
So it's the rank bush.
Yes. You crush it up.
Uh-huh.
You soak it for like a half an hour. Then you bathe on your baby's skin.
Focus on the leaf right there, what it looks like. Right? You're getting an inside look of how we're doing this here. Right? Again, we're in search of food, flavor, taste, people. And you see? Interesting.
Yes.
Wendy giving us the look.
This is bloodwood.
What is bloodwood for? What is it good for?
This is good for wingworm, latter, anything that you have on your skin.
Lata is the spots on your skin.
Yes, the dry. You take this, you peel it off,
Peel off the bark.
peel off these here, and then you milk it. You bark it as them old people say bark it. You see this blood here now? You scrape it. When you're done, you take it and you rub it on your skin. So you rub it on the latter.
On the mark, on the
Yeah.
part that is. Anything here?
This is very interesting.
Very interesting, right?
You see
You
that?
learn a lot. Come in the rainforest and learn.
I mean, get none them things like outside and put them.
Oh, well, hold on to this. Take your time and hold this, because we're taking that back out, right? And so there you have it, folks. You got the bloodwood. And come. I want to show off the medicine lady, the lady that helps me. She knight me, get me back together. Sometimes I'm up jumping, running, back pain, shoulder pain. She puts it back together and make sure that I'm back on track. So now you see why, right? Now you see why. This is it right here. You get to learn all of these stuff. Now, could you imagine backyard cafe in a place like this, showing off stuff like this on a daily basis? What do you say? Wouldn't you be exciting to like share this with the world?
Right now we
And
have
have
10
people
miles.
comes from all over the world. People come from all over the world to see what all this is all about, to get to learn about crab wood and the crab oil, and to learn about the bloodwood, and to learn about all of these different things in the forest. Look why they call it bloodwood.
Yes, as you could see, it is stained. So
Yeah, and you rub it on the mark, right? The blemishes that you would have, and that would take care of it. How long
Yes.
would this
So
get to
long.
heal?
2
7 days,
No,
2 days?
not so long. This is it is a thing. It is born like
Oh.
So it kill the germs, kill the
Oh,
bacteria.
so as the saying goes, the rainforest heals,
Yes.
and this is why we should protect it.
You gotta let them know how far we there in the jungle, showing them what to do.
Yeah, but it takes time to get out here, right? It takes a lot of effort to do this. So for us to show this off to you, and to give you some of the secret of real medicine people, right? Doesn't give out secret. So for us to do this, and for us to get Wendy over here to show this off, is special. And this is why she's part of the Backyard Cafe, and what she does is special too. You see, so we wouldn't have known all of this. So we had to come all the way over here at the Raj, make sure that everything was good. So there you have it, folks. Another session. Make sure you tune in. Make sure you like what we're doing right there on our YouTube channel. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you go there and subscribe. Make sure you tell your friends and all the new subscribers. This is a part of the Guyana rainforest. We're in Linden, just upper Demerara, right by the Demerara River. The Demerara River is right over there, right? And so many interesting stuff that is here, right here in Guyana, right? So come back for more. We're gonna have every day, every week, we're gonna be doing new stuff, right? In search of new flavors, food, taste, people, culture, all of that, right here in Guyana. Delvin Adams, Backyard Cafe. See you when I see you. Peace out.